Hello, Assalamualaikum. I'm Zulhairi, therapist from Autism Gym Center. So today I'm going to show you guys one activity that you can do with your children at home, which is recognize item based on color. So what are the main goals of this activity is for children to be able to know the colors. So I would like to suggest let them know the primary color first, the red, blue and yellow. Okay, for this one, how to prepare, and I would like to suggest to prepare the items that I would like to suggest. You can prepare toys or you can prepare items that have different color, same item but different color. For example, like this one, rainbow clip beads. So this one you can get at Shopee and also at any other toy shops, and they have bowls like this, so yellow, blue and red. So this one I will prepare for the primary color first, and then they have the clipboard like this. So you prepare the blue that have color blue, yellow and also red. This one is one of the items and bowls lah. Items like toys, you can use beads like this one, or also you can use like this one. This one is same item, ball, which is the spinning ball, and have different colors. So I would like to suggest the primary color lah, but for this one I only have this color. And also you can prepare like this one. This one is can have color, but it more into sort and match. So but you can use this one as your items, as your tools for this activity. And then you prepare some rewards or reinforcer every successful trial, so that can enhance their motivations, their excitement to do the activity. And 2-in-1, which they have their excitement, they enjoy, and also they have the knowledge of colors, what kind of colors. Hello, and now I'm going to show you how this activity can be done. So you prepare like this bowl, red bowl, and with one bead, red bead, blue and yellow according to their colors. So let's say your children in front of you and or beside you. So you say like this, red. You have to say it you have to show in front of them and show your mouth movement. Red. Where do you put? So ask them to put into red. So like let's say if they put at the right one, so you immediately give rewards. For example, sticker. So you can give reward sticker. And then you put, if let's say they put incorrectly, so you prompt, you take his hand and then you put it red. Repeat red slowly and loudly, and then after that you can repeat after you done all the blue, the yellow, all this bit accordingly. And then you repeat the activity by asking them, give red. So if they give red, very good. Give blue. If they put, and then say again, blue, blue. Put here, so they will know blue, red and yellow. Alright, thank you.